TurboLearn AI Honest Review. So, TurboLearn AI claims to do it all: convert lecture recordings or PDFs into structured notes, generate quizzes, and even make podcast style summaries using AI voices. It sounds like the ultimate study companion, but does it really live up to that claim? Let's find out. The interface is very clean and straightforward. You just upload a video, audio, or transcript, and within minutes, TurboLearn breaks it down into bullet point notes and topic summaries. The note quality is surprisingly strong. It captures key terms and definitions accurately most of the time, though it occasionally misses context heavy parts like examples or diagrams. So, where stands out is the auto quiz generator. It can create multiple choice questions or short answer tests straight from your uploaded lecture. For students reviewing before exams, that's a serious productivity boost. The podcast feature is a more of a hit or miss. It uses AI voice synthesis to turn your notes into spoken recap. And then the voice sounds clear but sometimes robotic or rushed, depending on language complexity. So, for final verdict, TurboLearn AI delivers a surprisingly capable set of academic tools for students and professionals who juggle long lectures or dense readings. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.